The heat death of the universe is one of the most intriguing and fascinating concepts in astrophysics. It's a theory that predicts the eventual end of the universe, and it's based on the laws of thermodynamics. In this episode of our podcast series, we'll explore what the heat death of the universe is, why it's considered a most likely fate of the universe, and what it could mean for our future. Make sure to subscribe to never miss any episode. First, let's discuss what the heat death of the universe actually is. The theory is based on the second law of thermodynamics, which states that in a closed system, entropy, or disorder, will always increase over time. But what is entropy? Entropy is a term used in thermodynamics to describe the amount of disorder or randomness in a system. It is a measure of the number of possible ways in which the particles or molecules of a system can be arranged. As entropy increases, the system becomes more disordered and less lively. Entropy can be seen in everyday life. For example, as a hot cup of tea cools down, its molecules move more slowly, and the tea becomes less ordered. In the case of the universe, the system is the entire universe, and entropy is constantly increasing. This means that eventually, all of the energy in the universe will be evenly distributed, resulting in a state of maximum entropy. Now, why is the heat death of the universe considered a likely fate of the universe? Well, we know that the universe is expanding, and as it does, it's cooling down. This means that eventually, all of the energy in the universe will be too spread out to be useful. In other words, the universe will reach a state of maximum entropy where everything is the same temperature and there is no more energy to be used. This state is often referred to as the heat death of the universe. This is the third episode of the series. Make sure to watch all to gain complete understanding of the vagueness of the topic. So, what would the heat death of the universe actually look like? Well, it's important to note that this process would take an incredibly long time. We're talking trillions upon trillions of years. As the universe continues to expand and cool, the stars will eventually burn out, leaving the universe dark and cold. Even black holes, which are some of the most energetic objects in the universe, will eventually evaporate due to Hawking radiation. This means that eventually, there will be nothing left but a vast expanse of darkness and cold. Now, you may be wondering, what does the heat death of the universe mean for us? Well, the truth is, it's unlikely that humans, or any form of intelligent life, will be around to witness the end of the universe. However, it's still an important concept to study because it helps us understand the fundamental laws of the universe and the nature of time itself. You can find the complete series in the end screen and in the I button. In conclusion, the heat death of the universe is a fascinating and sobering concept. It's a reminder that nothing lasts forever, not even the universe itself. While it may be difficult to wrap our heads around, it's important to continue studying the heat death of the universe and other theories about the end of the universe, as it can help us better understand the world around us and our place in it. The universe may have an expiration date, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't appreciate the beauty and wonder of it all.
Will it start again?
Comment your perspective down below. Thanks for watching,